Hi everyone, welcome to the first lesson of our Python programming series. Today we'll be tackling the very first step, installing Python on your operating system. Okay, open your browser and head to the Python official website at python.org. You'll see a big download button here, and now click here and choose the version for your operating system. Good. Once download is complete, open the installer. If you're using Windows, you'll see an option to add Python to pass. Make sure to check that box. And now follow the installation prompts. This usually involves clicking next a few times and then finish. Good. If you have any specific preferences, you can customize the installation. Okay. Now to confirm that Python has been installed successfully on your computer, search cmd and open your command prompt or terminal and type Python --version. Okay, as you can see, you should see the version number that you installed, and that's it. You've successfully installed Python on your computer and you're ready to start coding. Into the next lesson, we'll dive into writing our first Python program. So stay tuned and see you soon.